What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Boss, and in this video I'm going to do a complete rebuild of this system right here and take out every part and clean it up and put it back together. So yeah, without any further ado, let's jump right in.
Everybody sing that shit.
Okay, so guys, here as you can see I have the PC. And now, please don't take this video as a guide because this is my first time. Just don't take it as a guide. So here's the PC, and I'm gonna take each and every part out slowly but surely. And I'm obviously gonna speed up this whole process because it's not a guide, and you can just watch through this video. Okay, now it's power for the time for the. Okay. So this is the SSD right here, and if I get a problem I'll just speed up that, slow down that part, because most of it's got MD sped up. And yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna take out the graphics card, so in order to do that I need a screwdriver, and let me just get that real quick. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we're almost done. Yeah, that's it. Now I'll plug in the front panel. This one right here. Let me move this back. The front panel. This one right here. Okay. Power button is working. Everything's on. Everything seems all right. Now, I think that's it. But yeah, I forgot to put this thing that holds the graphics card. I'm gonna do that real quick. I mean, I'm already quite late. Shouldn't be doing this right now. I wasted like 4 or 5 hours. Not wasted, technically. Okay. Oh, oops! It's bleeding. Oh crap. Doesn't hurt. Yep, there we go. This is in. Our graphics card is in. We're alright. I think I should plug this in, and I'll just give this a quick test, and that's it. Yep. I'm gonna plug it in, but before I'm just gonna plug this in later. But before I do that, I'm just going to test it. Okay, so guys, I'm done, and now I'm just gonna move the system to its place, and then I'm gonna boot it up in front of you guys, and if it works, it's good. But we'll see. Let's just put it in. Okay, so guys, I've plugged everything in, and I'm just gonna boot it up now, and we'll see if it works. All of the fans are working. Yep. And I can see the display, so it's a good indication. Okay, so yeah, I'm pretty surprised it works. I opened this entire system and put it back together, and yeah, so yeah. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and this is Hamid from Mr. Tech Boss signing off.